Plug Power recently said it no longer has a going concern problem, despite it posting a huge loss for 2023, which was larger than its revenue, which is why some analysts have bailed on the stock itself. However, the question is, has Plug Power bottomed? So this is the monthly chart, and price is currently within a monthly buyer's level that was established back in June of 2020. Now, when you go down to the weekly chart, you can see that the momentum to the downside has waned, and right now you have sideways price action. And typically in big zones, you have people that want to go long just kind of filling their unfilled orders. You have buyers and sellers duking it out for position, but this is where all the liquidity is at, in these big higher time frame zones. Now, before we continue with the analysis, let's actually look at this article from Investor Place. So, hydrogen supplier Plug Power stock fell despite it saying it has no longer a growing concern problem. The company said it has sufficient cash on hand coupled with available liquidity to fund its operations for the foreseeable future. However, it still posted a large loss of 1.37 billion, which is equivalent to $2.30 per share on revenue of 891 million for the year. Now, the loss was worse than analysts expected. The consensus from FactSet was for a loss of $1.58 per share. Revenue was down 22% from 2022, and over the last year, Plug Power has lost 76% of its value, while the S&P 500 has been up, on average, 28%. Now, for those who don't know, Plug Power began as a maker of fuel cells for forklifts, but remade itself this decade into a full green hydrogen supplier. Plug Power also stores and transports hydrogen to customers and produces the hydrolyzers that separate hydrogen from oxygen in water. The aim is to create a sustainable ecosystem of hydrogen supply from its creation to its distribution to customers. Now, there remains traders who are bullish on the stock, with some still hoping for a short squeeze. But the consensus from tip ranks is a hold with 3 sellers. All right, so looking at the weekly chart again, really haven't gotten a pattern which signifies a reversal pattern. And I like to see W patterns at bottoms. Let's go down to the daily chart. And what I like to do is draw trend lines as confirmation, but in this case, price eventually closed below this trend line. And then I could draw another trend line. But again, price broke and closed below this trend line. Also like to see the moving averages start to move higher. And we haven't gotten that yet. So when I'm looking at the price action, what I want to see is price take out this $5 level, which is a pivot high, before even considering going long Plug Power. Ideally, want to see price take out the 200-day moving average. And that's really would be the confirmation that price has bottomed. But for now, depending on your risk tolerance, you could either be aggressive and buy, or you can wait for more confirmation. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.